Good morning, everyone, or good evening. So, guys, today I like to talk about nvidia before the earnings. So, the earnings is coming in next 2 days, and we know nvidia. Uh, we want to see the current and the previous. I was doing my personal prediction, analyzing the stock. And the last video, like I said, guys, before the earnings, when I talked it was somewhere here. I said nvidia supposed to come, to drop somewhere, to come to test some of these supports around 200 and 100, 130. And you see the candlestick, we came closely. We have this uptrend. Let me talk about this uptrend. So we have this uptrend, you see over here, and I need to delete this one has been previous charts, and I don't need right now. So what happened here, we have the uptrend lines, which is we started all the way we started from 90. You remember the time after splitting and the earnings, the stock, the people pumped it. It came touches here. It happened like a resistance. When you break it, you open another door, which you push all the way this resistance, and because stock is already overbought, you push all the way to come test that support. You push. It happened on this resistance, and then some of the moving average you push back, and then bounces on 100 EMA pushing, and was keeping that uptrend momentum. And until recently over here, we have this one, guys. The first one we have been above the touches the support near on the bottom, but recently now we are on this above this support, and this is coming over here. We have this some of these charts we see over here, which is telling you on MACD is already telling you guys, people are taking profit. And I was watching many people were say, hey man, you need to take profit. Thing is not going to be easy. And because I was just see, and what my charts already telling you will be signal, but during earnings, guys, things can turn around very easy. Remember, we are below only 20 EMA, but 50 is still down near 131, which if the stock will be plumbing, you are watching to come touches 125 or 124.95 on 100 moving average, or it will be better price to drop to either way to 109, which is 200 moving average. And guys, you need to follow what happened to the others. So here you see on MACD on this side is signaling sell, even though you beat earnings over here, beat by, in fact it is surprised by 5%, which is not a lot in terms of percentage, but in terms of the profit, you call the profit, that one is huge. So here revenue and the earnings, you beat earnings and beat revenue by 1 billion. In fact, that's huge, but it didn't send the stocks to rocket. But when you go to previous, when nvidia killing on after earnings, I remember when we jumped here, I made some good money, over 1,000%. And when you see on MACD, by that time MACD was on the bullish momentum. Yeah, whenever it's on bullish, it send the stock all the way to move parabolic. Let's see another here. We see over here we had the stock just signal is sell like the other one, and actually it jumped all the way from 67 to, it jumped all the way to 67 to 98. Stay 2 days stay, but highest it was 82, came to touches and then it skyrocket. So when you see the previous momentum was there, and then here also after this earnings, which is It didn't run to you move sideways after pitting these earnings over here, but yeah, like this, it moved sideways a few days and rocket. So, in fact, if nvidia is going to miss and coming down uh, in this earnings which is going to come, it's going to come to touch this area which we have already say around 125, and then people are going to buy at this support and send all the way. Stock will come hit dancing from here 2 days, and the reason nvidia maybe is not going to be cool because if you remember AMD after this, AMD was, in fact, I was telling you guys, AMD is going to be moon because he signaled by that day pie, and the stock rate all the way, which is it's acting now right now like a resistance. We have already formed another downtrend, and AMD come touches here, and then push here, rejected, comes touches here, and which is it might be if so the better place where you can play more if nvidia pit earnings. So it's going to be AMD because AMD, in fact, it's AMD is already making double bottom here, and this round maybe this will be my first time to jump on AMD. So we have this bullish, in fact this is the bullish thing, guys. Okay, let me go. I will go to make a video, but here, okay, yeah, you see this thing, guys. If they already chart is very bearish, even this one it have earnings, it jumped on that time from all of this price all the way from 133, hit 200 moving average 154, and the following the day it was sell buying calls and selling after the strength. So that is 200 moving average. So remember AMD a 200 moving average is 162, which is actually is on perish. And if I want to like to, that's what I'm saying, long term also is very bearish on and I believe AMD is going to come down like the other stock which is we saw coming down. Guys, thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye.